Is your Mint Mobile phone screaming no service louder than a toddler denied candy? Don't check it out the window just yet. We're here to troubleshoot your way back to glorious connectivity in just a minute. First things first, let's check the obvious signal strength. Are you in a known dead zone like a basement bunker or remote mountain peak? If so, moving to a different location, ideally outdoors, could be your quick fix, allowing your phone to connect to the nearest cell tower. Next, let's reseat your SIM card. Power down your phone completely. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to pop out the SIM tray. And carefully remove the SIM card. Give it a quick wipe to remove any dust or debris. Then firmly reinsert it into the tray. Make sure it's properly seated before sliding it back into your phone. Once done, power your phone back on and see if the signal returns. Still no luck? Open your Mint Mobile app or log into your account on the Mint Mobile website. Double check your account status to make sure your plan is active and paid up. A lapsed payment can lead to service interruption, so clear that app if needed. Also, verify that your device IMEI is properly registered to your Mint Mobile account. Reach out to Mint Mobile support if you require additional assistance. Now, let's dive into some phone settings. Tweaks. Toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. Then turn it off. This forces your phone to search for available networks again. Next, navigate to your phone's mobile network settings and ensure that your preferred network type is set to automatic or LTE 5G. Finally, as a last resort, consider resetting your network settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections, but it can often resolve stubborn connectivity issues. Remember to back up those passwords beforehand. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these steps has banished that dreaded no service message and restored your sweet Mint Mobile connectivity. If you are still experiencing problems, contacting Mint Mobile directly is your best bet. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech tips.